This is News 9.
The University of Oklahoma is looking to diversify the medical industry with a camp. That camp is targeting high school students from underrepresented groups in the field.
News 9's Jesse Mitchell shows us how the SPARK program aims to spark the students' interests. New at 5.
Walking the halls of a hospital as a doctor takes about a decade worth of training, but these kids are gaining access into a world some of them never even thought was possible. Spending a week immersed in each department at the OU College of Medicine has been eye-opening.
We want people coming in the best and the brightest, with every variety.
Female students, but African American students, Native American, Hispanic populations, and most of the schools that we focus on have a large population of those students represented.
Despite historical and financial barriers in the field, many of the students here have had an interest in medicine from an early age.
My mom really bought me a little tiny first aid kit, and I would carry it around everywhere.
But going into the profession was still a daunting thought.
I was like, oh, I really want to be a doctor, but I don't know if I really want to be a doctor.
Having the chance to use the same robots and simulators as medical students for free just helps the campers reaffirm their aspirations.
I don't necessarily come from a poor family, but we don't come from a lot of money. And so I would have never thought that I would be able to have the experience that I'm having.
Recent technological advances in robotics have also played a major role in making the industry more accessible.
It was a golden opportunity for our learners to actually go through this feeling the sense of urgency and the need to make decisions quickly without actually having a patient suffer the consequence.
The SPARK program works with Oklahoma City's public high schools to identify students for the program. If you're interested, be on the lookout for coordinators throughout the school year. On the scene, on the story from the OU College of Medicine, Jesse Mitchell, News 9.